This is the unboxing of the Starlink mount for the car, for the luggage rack mount. Guess this is a sheet that tells you what you need to do to install it. And a Allen wrench here. It looks like they actually send you the screwdriver you need. I think that's a screwdriver. Yeah, interesting. All right, so I'm going to get this mounted. It's pretty simple. This piece here just kind of comes in and out. You just got to screw that in, and there's a little notch right there in the Starlink mount to tell you where to center it. And now we just have to get that completely mounted. So I got to take this one off. Hot, 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 hot. Whew. It's really hot. Okay. So for now, go this way, like that. You take this. I'm thinking I have it backwards. I'm 100% certain of that now. So just to let you know, we did kind of turn the mount around because we had it pointed in the wrong direction. The arrow pointed in does go in the back, so we're testing this while driving at about 55 miles an hour, and you can see that there really is no vibrations or any other thing like that affecting the item and its position while we're driving, besides the actual car turning and of course things of that nature. Thank you. So as you can see here, driving at approximately 55 miles an hour, we were able to get 307 megabit download speeds, 14 up and 21 on latency. And that was, again, traveling at around 50 miles an hour over in western North Carolina. At the time, the speeds did vary based on the direction in which we were driving and, of course, our speeds. But it was somewhere between, 270, 280, all the way up to the 307, which you see here.